Hi, I'm Amy and I have a lot of Shein and Romwe clothes. Since I've become an expert at shopping at these stores, I thought it might be helpful to give you some tips and tricks to save the most money possible and to get the most value from your purchases. If that's what you're looking for, then you've come to the right place. As a valued viewer, I want you to know this video is not sponsored, but there are some affiliate links in the description below. This means that clicking on or purchasing through some of the links below may earn me a small commission, which helps make this channel possible. There is no extra charge to you when you buy through these links. In fact, you might get a better deal depending on the promotions at the time. Thank you for your support, and let's jump right in. To do to get the most out of Shein and Romwe is to become a registered member of the sites. Once you are registered, you can start earning points. What are points, you ask? Shein and Romwe points are rewards that registered members can earn through purchasing off the site and app and participating in various activities. 100 points are equivalent to $1. You can redeem your points for purchases on the site. A maximum of 70% of the total price for products can be paid using points. Points are non-transferable, cannot be gifted, sold, or withdrawn. The points typically expire 3 months from the date you receive them. Earning points is as simple as making purchases off the site. You earn 1 point for every $1 spent, excluding orders for gift cards. Points are only awarded for the actual amount of money paid, after the coupon and points for the order are deducted. It also doesn't include insurance, shipping, or taxes. The next thing I highly recommend you do is download the apps. Using the website is all well and good, but you can save way more money by downloading and purchasing off the app versions of these sites. Free shipping and 10% off vouchers pop up all the time. Shein is way better for this, but it doesn't hurt to download both of the apps. Once you've downloaded the apps, earning points becomes super easy. Within both the Shein and Romwe apps, you can check in every day and earn points for doing pretty much nothing. It takes literally seconds and it really does add up in the long run. You can set a reminder on the app if you're likely to forget. The idea behind the concept is that you'll end up buying more clothes the more time you spend in the app, but I haven't found this to be the case. It's not that hard to just check in and then leave the app again. The more days in a row you check in, the more points you earn. If you miss a day, the cycle resets. A consecutive streak is up to 7 days. On the 8th day, the cycle restarts. Another way to earn points is to tune in to Shein Live each week. It features videos on fashion, lifestyle, pop culture, and girls topics, and there are 2 ways for you to win points. The first is to snatch treasure boxes, which pop up 3 times in each live stream. All you need to do is tap the snatch button to win up to 400 points. But points are given out randomly, so it's unlikely that you'll make anything this way. The second way to make points is to share Shein Live. Invite others to join, and for each user your shared link brings, you'll earn 5 points. This is only valid during the actual live stream though, not for the replays. Where you live and the time zone you keep to will determine whether this is feasible for you or not. It's not worth going to a massive effort to tune in when you'll probably go away with the same points balance you came in on. Also, 5 points for getting a friend to watch is nothing. If you enjoy watching the videos and you have a lot of spare time on your hands, it's there if you want to. I have never personally earned any points from a live stream, mostly because I have yet to tune in while it's still live. I am intrigued though. If you have some time on your hands, why not spend it by creating some super kick-ass outfits to enter into Shein's outfit events? All outfits are ranked by the number of likes they receive. Once the contest closes, the outfits in the top 12 are awarded from 100 to 500 points. Additional points can be earned if your outfit is chosen as an editor's pick or an editor's fave. If you are one of the editor's picks, you receive 100 points, And if you were chosen as the editor's fave, you get 1,000 points. And the Shein models will wear your look on the Shein runway. Shein offer free trials on some of their newer items. They want quality reviews so that people are more likely to buy them, and in return you get to try it out for free. Once your review is approved, you'll get 20 points. If your review is rated as high quality, you'll get another 100 points and increase your chances for another free trial. You can apply for 3 clothing pieces each week. You get to choose your size, but I'm not sure if you have to pay for shipping. I believe this is only available from the US version of the site though. I did originally apply for 6 items, but I haven't received any new free trial notifications since, and I have been keeping my eye out. A top tip I have for shopping in general is to try and make outfits with your desired clothing item and pieces from your own closet before you buy it. This is a good way to make sure you'll get plenty of wear out of it. Don't buy a piece unless you can style it in at least 6 different ways right off the bat. Otherwise, you have to spend more money and clutter up your closet even more buying pieces to go with it. No matter how cute those magenta boots are, if your wardrobe is full of green and blue hues, you're just not going to get that much wear out of them. One of my favorite things about Shein is that customers can upload outfits they've put together with their Shein purchases onto the site. This is great for inspiration on ways you can wear their clothing pieces. I urge you to make smart and considered purchases, especially when buying off fast fashion websites like Shein and Romwe. If you have a mini-me and love mummy and me outfits as much as I do, then you'll love the hashtag family look pieces on Shein. To find the hashtag family look pieces, just scroll to the bottom of a clothing post under the heading Other Options. If the item is available in toddler or kids sizes, it will show up there. I recently purchased one of my favorite floral skirts in a toddler size so that I could match with my daughter. Now, whenever I'm buying a piece of Shein and I notice it has a toddler size as well, I'm greatly tempted to buy it too. Shein and Romwe are both sites based in Asia, so if you use your regular Western size, you might be disappointed when it arrives. There is nothing worse than receiving your oh-so-cute clothing only to find that it is way too small. To make sure your clothing purchases always fit, use your bust, hip and waist measurements to determine your size. On Shein alone, the sizes vary between different clothing pieces. Sometimes I'm an extra small and sometimes a large is a better fit. Even on regular Western fashion sites, I recommend using your measurements to determine your size. Better safe than sorry. I'd also highly recommend making sure to check the material of the piece of clothing you're looking to buy. This will also affect the fit of the clothing depending on if the material has stretch or not. Photos can be misleading sometimes, and checking the material is the most important thing I've found to do to ensure no surprises when it arrives. If you're a student, then sign up to receive Shein student discounts. I'm not exactly sure of the process myself as I am not a student, but I believe you have to have proof of further studies and then you get a special discount code. Extra discounts never hurt anyone, am I right? So you're finally ready to make a purchase of Shein. Well, before you do, buy a gift card. These have to be purchased a week or so ahead of time because they do take a while to come through. The larger the amount you purchase, the more money you'll save. You can purchase gift cards from $80 for $75 with a saving of $5, up to $500 for $430 with a saving of $70. Once you add your gift card to your account, the amount will immediately be deducted from your balance, so you don't have to use it all at once. Another important thing to note, you can use your coupon codes and points at the same time as your gift card. With all 3 of these things, it can add up to massive savings. Shopping during seasonal sales is a good idea wherever you're shopping, but Shein and Romwe in particular have excellent promotions. Not only do they have your traditional 50 to 80% off, but they also run themed games. During the last Christmas period, Shein held a Christmas gift stacking game which you could play twice daily for discounts, points and dollars off your shop. Here in Australia, Shein had 11% off coupons for Australia Day. Once you receive your order, I highly recommend leaving a review of all your purchases. Not only is it a nice thing to do so that other people can have all the information when buying, but it also is totally useful to you too. You can earn, you guessed it, points. The more information you provide, including quality photos and sizing information, the more points you earn. With your newly purchased clothing, you can now participate in Shein's show contests. Take a photo of you rocking your Shein item in a totally sweet outfit and earn 5 points for each post, up to 15 points each day. If your post is selected as a featured piece by Shein editors, you will earn a bonus 50 points. And finally, Romwe has a special rewards program called Share and Earn. Invite friends to register via your link and purchase an order, and you'll earn 500 points per friend. Once you've referred 4 or more friends, your earnings will go up to 800 points per friend. Your friends will also receive exclusive coupons. If you aren't already registered for Romwe, I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd sign up using my link in the description. If you learned something new from this video today, please hit the like button. Do you have any tips for shopping online that you'd like to share in the comments below? Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one and to see my Shein and Romwe purchases in action. See you later.